Oh dear, the washing machine's broke down. Now what are we going to do? Just keeps clicking. Sometimes the door won't open.
Oh, it's F5 and all that crap is.
Now what are we going to do about it? Think you can fix it, Alan? Well?
I'll have to figure it out.
Pardon?
Right.
Do you think you can fix it or not? Hello, you there? Sorry?
Hello.
You'll have to try. I'm not going down the laundrette. You can go down the laundrette. You won't catch me in the laundrette. If you don't fix it, you'll have to go down the laundrette, won't you? Oh well. Bye for now, guys. Let's hope he can fix it. Or you'll be down the laundrette, won't you?
Well, I'll go buy a new bastard.
Oh, Alan, I don't think so. You'll have to get down the laundrette.
Pick this up, man.